Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the three major prepaid carriers here, at least in the US, that are always fighting for #1 spot and the ones that most people recognize. And their, hours of operation during this crisis, which is the COVID-19 or coronavirus. A lot of people, since I made my last video, wanted to know more about this, and I'll have a link to that video in the description below as well, or you can just check it out. But let's go ahead and see what is the times and hours and if anything has affected these prepaid stores. Now, of course, each location will be different from location to location because it depends maybe if the city where some of these stores are located are more infected or more, there's more cases there versus another city that maybe there's not that many cases or any at all. Those will probably remain a little bit open more. But overall, this is going to be, like I said, case by case, but a general of what you can expect. So, like I said, here we go. Prepaid carrier hours during the COVID-19. So Boost Mobile, it says open under normal hours as traffic slows down, but people porting continues. So what this really means is, Boost Mobile is, of course, at least most of them that I know of, they're authorized dealers. There's not really any corporate ones that I know of. So they're open during normal hours. So yes, they are probably cleaning a lot. Remember, these stores are probably cleaning. They're telling their employees, you have to make sure everything is sanitized. Maybe wear some gloves. That's what we're doing at work, is wearing gloves, wiping the desk as every customer comes in. And as well, we can't have more than 10 people inside the building. So usually we'll kind of tell them to stay in the car and wait for somebody to free up, or, just to see if it's a simple thing we can fix. So most people, though, especially older people, which if you're older, you shouldn't even be going out really. But yes, Boost Mobile will be operating under normal hours. Like I said, traffic has slowed everywhere in the United States. Doesn't matter where you live, but people are more scared of going out and contacting this disease because, one, the testing looks like it's I wouldn't say that bad, but it does look pretty bad to get tested. And then some places don't even have that many tests. So just remember, like Boost Mobile's hours are normal, but it may, traffic has slowed down, but a lot of people are pouring in. Why? Because Boost Mobile has good porting deals and as well good hotspot and unlimited data, and that's what people are looking for. So if you're going to be staying home, a lot of these carriers, they want you to come over to them and pick a plan. So Boost Mobile, of course, is killing it. So nothing there. But now let's talk about Cricket Wireless. So this Cricket Wireless will remain open, but some stores start closing on the 21st of March. All stores located in indoor malls are closed. So if any of these locations, any Cricket Wireless locations are indoor in malls, they will be closing those, which is really a good idea because the malls, overall, all malls should probably close if they're indoor malls because there's just so much people there. And, you don't want that many people in an enclosed location, which one person will have, let's say the coronavirus or something like that, and spreads it. It's got to spread everywhere. Stores are scheduled to be open April 1st, 2020. So they are scheduled to open all stores by April 1st, unless, some of this information might change, as depends how it goes and all that stuff. Because, more information is coming in as we're talking about it. So it says stores have reduced hours from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. So now they have reduced their hours, of course, and closed on Sundays, which is a good thing. So Sundays they will be closed. That probably gives it a whole day at least of people cleaning or just not having to worry about an extra day of catching the disease or anything like that. Corporate will open Monday to Saturday, and authorized retailers will only go from Monday to Friday. So depending on your location, you might only have authorized agents or retailers. They only will be going from Monday to Friday, and if you're corporate, it's Monday through Saturday and close on Sunday. So everybody's like, remember, like Chick-fil-A, they're closed on Sunday. So now we're talking about Metro by T-Mobile. Stores will remain open, but will reduce hours. So of course, stores in malls will close until further notice, and some dealers have hours from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. So they will be opening from 11 to 6. Pretty sure Sundays are probably closed. I couldn't find too much information on this, but that would be the smart thing to do. I said overall, Boost Mobile should close a lot of their locations, but I'll tell you why some of these locations are not all closed. To some people, they might think that if you think about it, a cell phone store is actually essential because you need your phone while your phone breaks and you can't get a phone. The phone store is closed or you have to pay your bill. Of course, you can do that all online, and that's what we recommend you guys do is go online, call over the phone. Well, probably don't call over the phone because the lines are probably, you're probably going to be waiting an hour just to pay your phone bill. So just go through the app or their website, pay your bill that way, or have an auto pay would save you a lot more time. Of course, a lot of carriers are waiving late fees and restoral fees, which is a great thing. So just know that go into a store and don't all rush into these stores either, guys. Like I said, make sure that they are letting people inside. A lot of people are calling and saying, hey, are you guys taking people in? And yes, we can up to 10 people per time, so like I said, another thing too is remember most of these are authorized agents or authorized retailers, guys. And if they're not selling, they're not making money. So they're taking a big hit. You're not corporate owned, Of course, corporate owned stores have a lot more money because they're backed up by the company. While if you're an authorized agent, you don't have that backing, or you might not have savings, and you still have operational costs, electric, water, and all them, payroll to pay. And if you close your stores, you're not making any money. So I believe that's what they're doing. But yeah. So like I said, that's my big theory on this, why a lot of locations are not closing and trying to stay open as long before the government actually shuts everything down. Because the government can shut everything down. If they do that, then you will have to close. So I know starting tomorrow, essential locations like gas stations, grocery stores, pharmacies will remain open, but like barber shops and salons and tattoo parlors and all that stuff will close because they're not essential things. So like I said, are cell phone carriers essential? I would say yes, but it's good that they do have reduced hours and make sure they clean and stuff. So let me know in the comments below what you think, guys, about these hours, and when hopefully it will end soon. Who knows? But if not, let me know. But thank you. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think. And what's your carrier? Is it Boost Mobile, Cricket, or Metro? And what do you think about them, and if they're helping you guys out? So thank you.